Hey guys, this is Miraie back with another video, another unboxing video, or could you say another Osu video? Wait, is it Osu or is it Os?
Welcome to us.
Anyway, hey guys, how are you? Hope you are having a great day today because I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I took a break from YouTube, even though I know it's only a few days, but this time I actually... What the fuck is this in my face? Oh, you see the pimples right here? Fuck pimples, man. That's why I'm trying my best to clean out the pimples. Anyway, that's not the important of the video. The important part of the video is that today we are going to unbox this thing right here. It's from Poland. Finally, can do some shopping tests. Oh, by the way, people has been asking, Miraie, why are you recording your video through a fucking mirror? Because Apple, which is this phone right here, this fucking camera, this thing, it has 1080 60 frames per second. Front camera 720p 30 frames per second. That's like a fucking downgrade. Enough the talk. Let's see what is inside right here. So this is Pro X Touch. So it makes sure that when you are playing Osu, this thing does not fall off, which is like, oh shit, not. Can I take this thing off? I fucked up, man. We got it, boy. After 10 minutes, we fucking got it. Glad we double checked because I was worried we don't get a USB cable, but we did. Thank you. Let's try this out. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, this feels so weird! What the fuck? Yo, this feels really different. Yo, this feels really different. Let me try to play the IBPM song. Oh, sorry. Oh shit. Also, changing from keyboard to this thing reminds me of using a mouse to play Osu and changing it into a tablet user. I'm gonna give it a few more try because this is a really interesting product. Oh shit, fucked up. Let's try this one. We did it. Very nice. I like it. Full combo, S rank, 10 star, 10 out of 10. Love this map. I can't really give out perfect review on it because I'm not a long-term user of this thing as I just unboxed it in front of you guys. Could it be better than mechanical keyboard? Maybe yes, maybe not. For me, I think that it's like asking a person, do you prefer Cherry MX Red or do you prefer Cherry MX Brown? But anyway, if you are really interested in this product, use code Miraie for 5% discount. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoy. Comment about what do you think about this video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video. 見つけたのハピマリ迷わないこの人と私幸せになる